Hello, welcome to the unboxing of the Urbn Power quick charge cable. This is a 3 ampere quick charge cable as it's written over here. This has a transmission rate of 480 megabytes per second. It is 4 feet long. This is for charging and data transmission. There you can see this is for charging and data transmission. It comes with 2 years warranty, and this is a micro USB to USB-A type cable. Over here it's written 2 times faster than standard cables. Do we have any more information? No, that's more or less it, and there's more or less the same information written at the back as well, like ultra durable 4 feet charge and data cable, 3 ampere fast charging with up to 480 Mbps of data transfer, reinforced tips and premium grade cable ensure superior durability, high grade connectors for stable and secure connection, compatible with smartphone, tablet, laptop, headphones, power banks, etc. And there's also a diagram of this particular cable. Speaking of which, there is a transparent window section over here where you can see what this particular cable, data cable looks like. I'm just going to open this box and show you the cable now. So this is what you find inside the box. This is a 24-month warranty note from Urbn. I'll give you a better look. There you can see. This is a 24-month warranty note from Urbn, and this is the warranty card. This is for the 2-year replacement warranty, and this is what the data / charging cable looks like. This is a USB-A to micro USB charging cable. It has the Urbn logo written on top. This is also a braided cable, so this will not get tangled easily or break or tear easily from any, under most circumstances. Also, it's 4 feet long. Let me just show that to you. There you go. This is 4 feet long, and this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Urbn Power 3 ampere quick charge cable. Thank you for watching.